How much you know about programming environment? How many programming environments do you know? Which programming environment is suitable for each programming language? Today, we will review the answers to this question. So subscribe to join us. Okay, let's go. There are two types of coding environments. Number 1. Text editors. A text editor is a computer program that enables users to create, change, or edit plain text files. They are often used to craft complex code for websites, read, create, and edit source code, or build text files. Some examples of the best text editors. Brackets. Brackets is a source code editor with a primary focus on web development, created by Adobe. It is free and open source software licensed under the MIT license and is currently maintained on GitHub by open source developers. It is written in JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a shareware text and source code editor available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It natively supports many programming languages and markup languages. Users can customize it with themes and expand its functionality with plugins, typically community built and maintained under free software license. Atom. Atom is a deprecated free and open source text and source code editor for Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. Number 2 of coding environments, Integrated Development Environment, IDE. There are software programs that provide programmers with the tools and facilities used for computer programming and software development. IDEs have three main features: source code editor, compiler or interpreter, and debugger. Advantages of using IDE: work optimization, satisfaction with work and final results, higher efficiency. Some examples of the best IDE. Adobe Dreamweaver. Adobe Dreamweaver is a proprietary web development tool program that allows you to build and publish web. Adobe Dreamweaver is available for the Mac OS and Windows. Recent versions have improved support for web technologies such as CSS, JavaScript, and various server-side scripting languages and frameworks, including ASP, Cold Fusion, Scriptlet, and PHP. IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA, written in Java for developing computer software, written in Java, Kotlin, Groovy, and other JVM-based languages include WebStorm, PHPStorm, PyCharm. It is developed by JetBrains. PyCharm. PyCharm used for programming in Python. It provides code analysis, a graphical debugger, and integrated unit tester, integration with version control systems, and supports web development with Django. It is cross-platform, working on Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Microsoft Visual Studio. Microsoft Visual Studio is one of the best programming environments in the world, creating mobile applications, web applications, or even video games. Microsoft Visual Studio can be suitable for professionals and even for people who are learning. And Microsoft Visual Studio supports 36 different programming languages, including .NET, HTML, JavaScript, JScript, Visual Basic, Visual C#, and Visual C++. Code blocks. Code blocks can be run on all operating systems. This IDE is great for programmers who frequently move between workspaces. This software supports 3 programming languages, including C, C++, Fortran. What are the best IDEs for C, C++, C#, HTML, and CSS programming languages? Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code are the most popular IDEs used by more than 50% of developers in the 2019 Stack Overflow Developer Survey. The best IDEs for PHP development. PHP Storm is a popular IDE for PHP development designed by JetBrains. It supports modern frameworks, including Symfony, Laravel, Drupal, WordPress, Zend framework. The best IDE for JavaScript. Lighttable is an IDE or code editor for web development that is completely designed for JavaScript development. It's a lightweight platform where you can embed anything you want, including charts, games, and visualizations. The best IDEs for Python. PyCharm and Spider are the most popular Python IDEs. Each offers many benefits to developers. Both can create a website development environment that is easy to control. The best IDE for Android development. Android Studio. If you want to become an Android developer, Android Studio is the first IDE. The best IDE for iOS development. Xcode is a development IDE designed by Apple that is used to develop iPhone applications as well as to create native applications for all of its products. It is available for free download and supports Mac OS.